It's Thredup Thursday. Welcome back, you guys. Welcome to Stina Resells. On Thursdays, we open a Thredup Rescue box. And today, you guys, we're opening, my favorite, the Thredup Fun Box. If you're not familiar with the Fun Boxes, which you should be if you watched my channel before, it is 10 miscellaneous items that Thredup sends. Can be anything from socks to lingerie, headbands, sunglasses. Sometimes we get like laptop cases. You never really know what you're going to get. And I've gotten some amazing items in these fun boxes before. I even got a pair of Chanel sunglasses one time and a Tiffany passport cover that, of course, I kept. So I can't wait to get into this one and see what we got from Thredup. They restock on the Thredup Rescue Box webpage, which is totally random. You have to just keep refreshing. It's a practice in patience and a little bit of luck. All right, y'all. We're going to get into this one. If you happen to be new here, well, hey, my name's Christina. I'm a part-time reseller, which means I have a full-time job doing other things. I own a ticketing business in the entertainment industry, and I do group sales for live family entertainment and musical theater and exhibitions. Okay, so that's what I do full time. I'm super busy with that. My business has grown exponentially since COVID. It almost went out of business during COVID, and then it came back with a surge. So I'm busy with that, but I kind of started doing this during that COVID shutdown. And I love opening mystery boxes. I love doing YouTube. I love reselling. And so we're making both work because you've got to always do what you love. Okay, that's a little bit about me. I always do like to point out what I am wearing, and today I'm wearing, again, something very special. I had a viewer gift me a pair of Alice in Wonderland earrings. They're little books. They are absolutely so adorable. They're so cute. So I have those in. So thank you so much for thinking of me and gifting those to me. I love them. I paired them with my Mary Blair Alice in Wonderland necklace. It's got little quiet bud there at the bottom. And it also does a little flip here where it says quiet bud. So really adorable. That's all the jewelry I have on today, you guys. But I also wanted to show you what I recently got. So I talked about in a previous video that Bobble Bar did a Disney Alice in Wonderland release. And y'all know I wanted to buy everything. Okay. But I couldn't because, listen, even though I will sell y'all like Bobble Bar for cheap on my channel, Bobble Bar new is very expensive. Okay. So I bought the phone wristlet or the phone charm for my phone. I love it. And that was pricey. But I also picked up this jewelry case. So it looks like it's like a patent, but it's not. It's actually very soft. It has Alice on the front. Okay. Here's the little Bobble Bar. I haven't taken that off yet. You have a beaded zipper pull. Isn't this so cute? Okay, the inside is branded Disney. And then on the inside, it has these little packs for your jewelry. So you can put earrings. You have a little zipper pouch. And then you have a little thing for rings. I thought this was so cute. So I picked this up after the release. And I'm going to put my Disney jewelry in it. I thought it was kind of perfect. So anyways, super cute. Hoping that maybe at some point the other pieces will get discounted and I can pick them up. So wanted to share that with you guys. But now, y'all, it's time to open the fun box. This is a recent one. This came, I don't know, I think it came earlier this week. Okay, it's the like kind of normal size of the fun box. All right, and we'll see if there's a receipt in here. I can tell you when I ordered it. I do have my box cutter here. Yay me. And y'all, okay, for those of you who watch my unboxings regularly, which by the way, if you do, thank you. I love having you guys here. I really do. I love all the interaction I get with you guys in the comments. And really just in general, your support means everything. Okay, I love it. But if you've watched my channel before, you know they usually just put one piece of tape here. But you guys, they literally taped like all the edges on this one. Isn't that crazy? Look, all the edges are taped. It's wild. So good. All right, so I have a little bit of cutting to do. Okay. And then we will swing around, and I always give you guys a first peek. So we will do that. If you are interested in anything that I unbox in this box, I do sell for my YouTube channel. You just need to send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I do my invoicing through PayPal. I do $6 shipping on items under £1 and $10 shipping. Oh, it's not on this edge. It's only on that other edge. Okay. Whatever. I do $10 shipping on items over £1. I just need a brief description of the item and the price that I said or put on the screen in the video. You'll just send that email to me. I'll put my email on the screen. And it's as easy as that, you guys. So we should have 10 miscellaneous items, and we're hoping for something good. Okay? First peeks. Okay, so here we go. We're going to pull the tissue and just kind of see what Thredup sent us. Oh. Guys, we already got LELE SADOUGHI. I can see the inside of this headband, the print, and it is a LELE, and OMG, it is a corduroy and animal print. I love my headbands. That's adorable. It looks like we got a hat. There's maybe a belt in here. I don't know. Some sort of case is right here. I don't know if you guys can see that under the hat. Shapewear. Maybe some hose beyond that. So a good variety. I'm going to take a few thumbnails and I will be right back. So let's start with the first item that I saw right off the box. And that is the LELE SADOUGHI headband. You guys, this is so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. So here's your LELE print on the inside. It says LELE SADOUGHI right here. And sometimes you get the little like logo right there, but I know it's not on this one. Oh my goodness, guys, it's so cute. I love this. Ooh, this might be one I have to hold on to. I don't know. I'll give you guys first dibs. A lot of her headbands I don't hold on to, even though I love them, because they're too like puffy for me, or too like the top knot's too high because my hair is kind of wimpy. But y'all, this one's pretty awesome. I'm not even gonna comp this one out because these usually sell somewhere between $50 and $100 depending on the style. So I'm gonna say 35. Okay, 35 on the LELE. Very adorable. All right, next up, we have a hat, y'all. Okay, this one is branded. It is Collection 18, which I have sold before. This is a one size fits all, and it is 100% wool, you guys. Look at that. That is nice. Oh, I love that. It's not necessarily wool season, okay? But maybe I'll give you guys a really good price. You can hold on to it for next season. I love this gold chain that goes around the outside. Well, I'm going to give you guys a great price. We're going to do $8 for the 100% wool hat by Collection 18, you guys. Little off season, so I'm doing a good deal. All right, next up, we have some shapewear. Okay, this one is Imputua. I don't know what this says. I've never heard of this brand. Rule Your Destiny. It is a high-waisted shaper short. You can see the picture there. This one is in a, this one's in a 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4X in a black. And it says it holds everything in, super comfortable, stays in place all day. Not familiar with this brand. I'm going to say $15. Okay. 15 on the shapewear. That's great. I love getting shapewear in these boxes. It sells really well. Next up, we're going to do a belt. So the Fun Box is kind of like a little bit of an accessories box, which I love, a good accessory. And then sprinkled in with some extra goodies for fun. Okay. All right. We have a belt. It is black with this like studded detail. It does not feel like real leather. So let's unroll and see what is up. It's in excellent condition. Yeah, I would say faux leather. This is going to be kind of like a wrap belt. There are no holes, okay, to latch. So you just put it through. I can do this on camera. Like if this is against your waist, you can like wrap it around the other way like this. Okay. Or you can tie it, or you could add something else to it. Okay, so I would say this is kind of like a one size fits all. And so I'm just going to say $4 on this. $4 on the belt, no branding. All right, next up, we have some pantyhose, it looks like. These are by Eversweet. I don't know this brand. It looks like maybe it was sold on Amazon. This is in a large, extra large. It's an opaque, extra soft. It's in a black microfiber tights. And so I don't know. $5? $5. Okay. Next. Y'all, what is this? I don't know this logo. I don't know what this is. We have a zipper case. Okay, let's see. It's an umbrella. It's an umbrella. I was expecting maybe sunglasses or something. I don't know what I was expecting. We have a little pocket umbrella. This is so cute. It's in a blue. I have absolutely no idea on the branding with this. Okay, like I don't know if this is a brand. No idea. It seems new. So I'll try looking this up and then I'll have a price on the screen for this one. Let's see. What's next? Something with feathers, you guys. Ooh, very cute. I love feathers. I love feather jewelry. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, this is pretty. What is this? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Wait a minute. What do you do? Do you put this around your neck? It's too, well, you could tie it around your side. Okay. It's not long enough to go all the way around like a skirt. I mean, do you wear it like this? I don't know. These are real feathers, you guys. I don't know. I have no idea. These are real feathers though. This is really nice. No branding in here. So I don't know. It's in great condition. Real feathers for this. I don't know. You could tie it on your waist. Guess you could wear it as a little top, you guys. I'm not sure. I don't know what to do with this, but it's real feathers. I'll see if I can find any info and I'll have a price on the screen for that. It's pretty cool. All right. Next up, it looks like we have 3 more items left from what I can see. We've got a little baggie. It's got a watch in it. Sometimes we get some good watches in here. Sometimes, you know, they're unbranded, so you never know. It's kind of like the sunglasses. It's hit or miss. Okay, this one is branded, but the hands are like over the brand, so I can't see. It seems very nice. It has a leather strap. It's got all sorts of numbers in here, which is a good sign. It says Certina. I feel like I've heard of Certina. Y'all, I think this is really good. I think this is a really good brand. It's clear that the band, I'm sorry, I'm not even showing you guys a lot. The band is like genuine, like leather. And it has a little, let's see if I can show, it has like a little turtle on the back. It says Certina up there. And then it says Certina here. Y'all, this could be designer. This is a really nice watch. And it looks like it's in excellent condition. So I will look this up and I will have a price on the screen. If my instinct is correct, and this is designer and nobody buys it, I will be sending this in to the Real. I am working on my May consignment, you guys. The May consignment deal, I just said last month that it's like the best one yet. The May consignment deal is pretty much almost as good, if not better, depending on if you're a first-time consignor. If you use the referral link, like if you use a referral link to sign up and you send in an item that's $200 or more, like they list it for $200 or more, you get a $200 shopping credit, you guys. That's the best it's been since like last summer. Okay, so amazing promotion for referrals. The consignment deal that you can get by like the number of items you send in and things like that is really good. So I'm going for that. I did a consignment for April, which I will talk about in my designer video. That will be next week. Okay, I'll give you an update on the Referral, what sold from my March consignment, what I sent in for April. We'll talk a little bit about the Referral, and I know you guys love like learning about that. I find it a really great revenue stream for me. I go through a lot of jewelry and they take a lot of brands. And then also I open the designer boxes, but y'all, I'm pretty sure this is designer. Okay. So I may send this in. I was trying to hit the big consignment for April and I sent in 47 items. So we'll see if I hit it or not. I don't know. Fingers crossed. Okay. That's all you can do. I've already started a bin for May from items that I've thrifted. And then if nobody buys the watch, if this is a brand they accept, then I will send this in also. Okay, y'all, pretty sure this is really good. Okay. Okay. I'll put comps on the screen. Watch me be totally wrong. That's like $25. I don't know. Okay. Next up, we have something silky. Okay. This is, oh, it's a robe. Okay, we have a robe. Let's see here. It's in like a silver color. This is 100% polyester. It's in an extra large. Okay, right here. It's in great condition. It has the tie. It has pockets in it. Okay. And so I'll do this one for $8. $8 for the silky robe. And then our last item in the box is a corset. I love, and this one's new with tags. Hello. Love getting corsets in this box, y'all. I once got a corset that was worth hundreds of dollars, which I haven't even listed yet. So yay me. I need to get listing. This is by Corset Story, which I have gotten before. And this is like a plain black. This is a size 26. So 26 inch. Okay. Corset Story has got like really great hardware. Okay. And so I will look up ones that are new with tags. I don't remember if my other one was new with tags or not. I'll look up the plain black in Corset Story and I will give you guys a price here. And I do offer subscriber pricing, so it is cheaper than what I would list it for, usually by about half is what I try to do. And I try to give you guys great deals for supporting me. If you guys enjoyed the video, y'all, please give me a thumbs up. I love also chatting with you guys. So even if you're a little shy and you don't normally say hi in the comments. I would love that. And give me a hype if you still have some hype points left at the end of the week. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I loved this box. This was great. I didn't even count my items. Like, I'm so excited about that. Wow. It's okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm off my game. 4. I'm like very distracted. 5, 6, 7, 8, the watch, 9, and then the umbrella for 10. So extraordinarily happy with this box. In general, just the headband would get me close to making my money back, if not a profit on this box. In addition to the Corset Story, I just know from that brand, that would be great. And then y'all, I think that watch, I think it's really good, you guys. I think it's really good. So fingers crossed, yay. I just realized we didn't have a receipt in this box. So I don't know when I ordered it, but it was recent because it just arrived this week. So sometime within the past couple weeks is when I was able to grab it. Let me know if you've done a fun box recently and how yours was in comparison to this one. And I will be back on Tuesday, you guys. I will be doing an America's Thrift Supply box. And so we're hoping that that one's really good as well. Listen, one of my America's Thrift Supply, I got gold and I got Tiffany. So it can happen. I've been getting some good branded pieces in them. So I'm looking forward to going through that with you guys. And then next Thursday will be a DIY designer unboxing. And, you know, maybe I'll open one of my older ones, you guys. I have some older ones and maybe we'll do one of those and I'll talk a little bit about the Referral. All right. Until Tuesday. Bye, y'all.